Okay, so now we're getting to the key of G flat. So you're still capoed for D. So you're going to move that D chord up to a G flat and put the capo in the right place. And I am capoed for A. So the root of an A chord is on the 5th string open. So all I did is I took my capo, put it at the 9th fret. That's a G flat. There's my A chord. Right? So my 1-4-5 is going to be A, D, and E. So let's pick a rhythm here, and then we'll get going. I might just kind of chug away, maybe something like that. All right, so let's. I'll do rhythm number 3. So down, 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 up, and I'll kind of take it like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 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 up, down, up.